Whoosh, what is cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Do you like that intro? I didn't really like it, but I can't be bothered to do it again. Guys, what's going on? It is another vlog, which I haven't really done in ages, but I haven't really been touching base with you guys for the last kind of 3-4 weeks, and this past 2 weeks have been insane and just crazy, next level amazing, and I just want to bring you guys up to speed and catch up with you. So this video is just going to be a rundown, a little highlight series of what's been going on. I took a few videos on my kind of phone camera whilst all the bits and pieces were going on, so I'm just going to drop those in. I also did a couple of radio interviews which I'm going to overlay on top of some visuals, and I've got an idea how this edit's going to be, but knowing my luck, it's going to be all over the shop as always. But hopefully you grab some entertainment or some escapism or whatever you're looking for when you watch my mug. Yes guys, so first things first, I'm still on this annoying chair which creaks around a lot. Gonna have to buy a new one, but first things first, I need to get off my chest this thing called Black Friday. It took the world by storm. If you've been living in a cave and don't know what it's about, then you're a lucky person, because Black Friday is quite annoying now. I've just heard too much about it. But our brand, RA, is still live with the sales. So if you didn't know, go down to this website right now, check it out. We've got some super cool, warm, nice, fluffy wear, hoodies, everything, like ropes are still on sale, so go check it out. And you can sneak in a gift for Christmas as well. Still some time for us to deliver some stuff out and get it out to you. So that's the Black Friday plug.
Yo family, early morning, out here shooting for the BBC. That's the camera guy, David, really nice guy. That's Naz, my unofficial kind of PR. He's been helping me, man, get these cool little gigs.
Yeah, we're lost.
Yeah, we're in the BBC, but we're lost.
How's it going so far?
Yeah, I think it's going great. What do you think?
This
is going to be a great piece.
Keep in shape and look cool.
Shit. Might have if I press record.
My day-to-day job is now this is YouTube and trying to grow a business on the back of an online kind of presence, which is kind of phenomenal when you think about it. I think you guys have to remember that I am still new in the game. I'm still learning as I go along. I make a lot of mistakes and have made some mistakes. Every sort of turn, every bit of the path that I go down, I really don't know what's around the corner sometimes, and it is a weird feeling in that sense, because you kind of have these grand dreams and these massive visions, and everyone who looks at me and talks to me and they're like wow, you've got this incredible vision, but when they ask me how you're going to scale, how you're going to expand and where's it going to go, like I myself, like I'm not really sure in a weird way. But yeah, like where it goes is just exciting. It always is exciting. And at the same time, it is kind of like a stress as well, man. And like today, right now, for example, I'm now gonna go onto Amazon and I'm gonna have a lengthy conversation with Amazon India, which I do literally like every single day. I speak to them, I get annoyed, everyone gets angry, everyone gets upset, and I end up just telling them, why are you wasting my time, Amazon India? That's what I always say to them. Why do you just keep doing this to me? Like, I'm just trying to open this one account to serve my Indian family, to supply them with the best vinyl out there, and they just make it difficult. So I'm gonna go online right now, I'm gonna go on Amazon, gonna give them a phone call, and we're gonna try and sort through this mess. This is what I'm doing just to try and set this account up. Bloody hell, man. Like, it's like MSN Messenger, old school, all over again. Right, to my Indian family, this is proof, right? This is proof of what these guys are doing to me. Focus. I'd like to inform you that I need to raise the issue to the dedicated team. Team will revert to you via email or call. This is what I say to him. This is what everyone says and no one comes back to me ever. Literally, that is Amazon India in a nutshell. Every single time I try to make this account go live, it is just a piss take. Any of my Indian family watching this vlog tonight, that is your proof. That is your proof that I am trying my best to get this flipping account live. I know you guys always comment, and I know even those who are non-Indian see it in the comments, and they're probably wondering, why are these Indian people always commenting? And I feel bad, man. I feel bad for my family, like every single time. It is what it is, guys. This is sort of the first part of my morning, every single morning really, which is just doing this, which is the pain. So back to normal business. I got mad people. Look, this is what I wrote. I want to make a complaint. I didn't spell complaint right. Fuck.
Only did that lead you know who to the Potters that night, but he also killed one of their friends.
My personal invitation was Cornelius Fudge himself.
Mad.
This is how we squash boxes, guys. From the top ropes.
Oh my god.
That is the HQ, that's the situation. All those boxes need to sort that out very soon. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. Yeah, this vlog is well up and down. It's gonna be everywhere this week. I'm 54, back at Canary Wharf, where I used to work, my old stomping ground. Christmas decorations looking nice. Off to a new little gym, which I am gonna be using, like a little studio that I'm gonna be using to train a client who's coming from the US, a guy called John. Never met him before, but gonna go see what he's saying. Got an hour session with him. I think I'm in the right place. Nice. Nice and controlled. Nice, well done. Perfect. How long have you been skipping for?
2 years, 2.5 years.
Yeah? What do you find the most difficult?
My body doesn't want to do what my brain knows it should do.
That's probably the hardest thing.
Yeah.
Right, so that's about half an hour, 45 minutes of my day done. And now it's just about letter time, letter opening. So that's pretty much the next little part of today. It's miserable outside, guys. Like, you know, the worst thing is, like, when it's winter here in the UK, I don't know if any of my UK kind of peeps can verify this, but when it's windy, rainy, grey, it's really difficult just to go out and just get shit done, man. Like, it doesn't make you feel like you can go out. It's been cold recently. Had to buy a new jacket, which I will show you later because it's a sick jacket. But it's just, even just doing tutorials and things like that, I look out the window and, to be fair, I just feel like really cozy right here. Fuck. No, what's this? This is the kind of shit I got to deal with, man. Parking ticket. So that's £65 gone down the drain. Sayonara. Kindly paid to the Croydon Council. Hopefully you can improve everything in our area, people of Croydon.
We are helping a large number of customers at the moment. Thank you for your continued patience, and we apologise for the delay in answering your call.
Okay.
Basically, we need it basically connected from yourself, requesting it through.
So this morning is going from bad to worse. I hate admin days, and it's becoming one of those admin days. It's not even supposed to be an admin day.
This is David, guys. This is the main man from BBC. Are you excited about skipping now?
Converted.
Yeah?
Absolutely converted.
I'm gonna make sure you get a rope today.
Okay.
Before you go, yeah?
Yeah. And I'm gonna be skipping mad like this.
Just look at it though, guys, man. It is miserable, wet. So I was meant to go outside and crush those boxes, but I'm looking outside and it's just too wet and miserable. I did get the jacket on to do that, but I do just feel like I'm gonna stay indoors today. I think I'm just gonna stay inside this room and get all my work done from here. I did some editing. This is the Rush City Challenge, guys, so this is the last call for everyone's videos. Let me sit you down here. If you remember, I want you guys to help me make skipping or make jump roping super comfortable for a lot of like the population out there. People do find it uncomfortable to go outside and just do it like it was running, you know, like running is normal on the street, cycling is normal. And I've had a massive push recently, well, for a long time now, to try and just get people to do it wherever they want and feel really good about themselves. So find a public spot, make sure you're safe, don't be in, just don't get into trouble, okay? Don't make it dangerous for no reason. Just make a cool video. And this is my cool video right now. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this was the edit. I used Final Cut Pro. And this soundtrack is one of my favorite ever films. Can you guess it? Some epicness. Alright, there you have it. That is the quick edit. Get involved for this weekend, but the deadline is on Sunday, December the 15th. That's this weekend actually. Say in.
What you saying, my G? We
Yeah.
ready.
You good?
Work.
What time is it right now?
Time is 11:45.
11:45. We're getting it, guys. Get some gains, guys. Late night with the main guy. Cut the find.
It's comfy, man.
Looking fresh. It's comfy, innit?
Comfy. I love it. I love it.
Guys, this is what we've been doing for the last week, man. Training, filming,
Getting it.
getting those gains. That's it, man. What's up? We're back with this one. What are we doing today?
We're going to BBC London and we are on the Sunny and Shay show.
Oh. Right, we're coming in there.
Are we coming in?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Shay? Mike's coming up, yeah? Here we go. Mike's coming up.
That is Don't Rush, Young T and Bugsy on BBC Radio London. A very good evening. It's Sunny and Shay. Now, for the next half an hour, a bit of an epic introduction to our next guest. He's really, I have to say, generally, he's put the excitement back into workouts.
The last time who got anyone excited about skipping was Rocky.
Oh, I knew you were gonna. I told Sonny. And his whole point is to encourage people to take on the activity as a form of exercise. The company is known as Rush Athletics. And
So I had to grind for 2 years, still working,
Yeah, of course.
selling ropes, building a brand, and then
all from London, which we
All from
love.
London.
This is such like a real successful London story.
it's from my
This
dining
is.
table when we first started packaging orders.
that you touched on was that the fact that people associated this rope with the community. So
That's it,
my
yeah.
my community that I was building over years, it was actually them that they were saying to me, Rush, when are you going to actually bring out your own rope? And this rope kind of connected everyone together because now everyone wanted the money rope. Everyone wanted the Rush rope.
Yeah.
And when they post videos and share it with their friends, they're
Gone
just
viral.
hyped.
It really has.
You know, a lot of people used to say that to me. Oh yeah, I tried skipping, but it was not for me.
Yeah.
I was the same. This took me 4 years to get the videos you see now. You know, it didn't come overnight.
Okay.
And that's why I
Right.
always tell my listeners or my followers and everything else that you have to learn to love the journey of learning and tripping and getting slapped.
Wow.
And that is what's going to keep you sweating. It's what's going to keep you. You'll take it in different forms of like life. In your workplace,
Yeah.
if you don't get that job you want, forget about it. Go for another one, or keep going. Look for that promotion. And this is skipping. This is like I was never good. If you see my old videos, I was not that good. I thought I might have been, but now I've refined.
You're going to do
it.
some throwbacks, man.
I'll show you some throwbacks.
Yeah, I think you need to put
You
that on your
should
social
do
media.
that.
Stuff. I think that's why I do have a really cool following. I do show a lot of the journey. Like if you go to my YouTube channel, it's not just skipping. I show vlogs. I show videos of me, you know, just doing random stuff. And I think they followed the journey with me for 4 years to see a guy who just went to the office, usual, just normal kind of guy, and trying to side hustle, you know. And I've actually inspired other people now to start their own skipping brands, with their own ropes, with their own clothing.
Can you believe it, man? Like a broadcasting network, like a big network like BBC are interested in skipping, and it just goes to show, man. Like, you know, four years ago, if I'd ever said this to anyone, if I ever said, listen, I'm gonna make the BBC interested in skipping, I'm gonna make, like, you know, this radio invite me on and all this kind of stuff, like, people would have just laughed in my face. I would have laughed at myself, to be honest with you.